So hey guys, welcome to our first video in the series of Bursuit tutorials, and we are gonna get started from setting up our labs. That's the DVWA. So for that we would need XAMPP, and also we would need to download the DVWA master, which is the complete site which they provide. So you can find it in this website like dvwa.co.uk, and just hit download and you will just download this zip file. It has the complete site. You would get this complete site which has 4 levels of difficulty, which I will show you later, but and here is our config file. Okay, so let us get rolling, and just and I will not show the installation process of XAMPP. It's quite easy actually. You just need to go and search XAMPP, and you can download it from this website apache-friends.com, and you can download the latest version or 7.4 as well. Both would work equally well. And after we have downloaded this, and just install this XAMPP control and open this control panel, from where you can start the Apache and MySQL. So let's get started. We will just need to copy these files to our XAMPP folder inside the htdocs folder inside XAMPP. Just create a new folder, DVW or something, anything what you like. Paste all the files and go to listing. Okay, so just go to the config folder, and once you get to this file, you will notice that there is some changes while you download the DVWA master set file which contains the website. Actually, it will be a dist file. Just change the extension to .php only. It will be .php.dist. Just change it, and here you get this. So you can just change the user to root here, and the password to nothing. It won't affect anything. So just leave the rest like which is given you. Nothing to change, nothing to touch anymore. I will later show you how to set up the CAPTCHA and also file inclusion. So let's get started and turn our Apache and MySQL on. And let's go to localhost /DVWA, and we are heading to the login PHP, I guess, setup.php. Yeah, so here you can see that I have everything enabled here, like the PHP function which allow user include, it is enabled. In your case, you would be facing like that. You would be facing something like this. So if we search it, allow URL include, it is turned on here. In your case, most of you will have this one off. Just turn it on and save the file. And also here you would see that PHP module GD is installed here. You just search GD. In case if your GD isn't installed, you would have a semicolon. Just remove the semicolon, and also here you got semicolon. Just remove that as well, and just save the file, and everything would be good to go. And next, just hit create and reset database, and just log in with admin, and password is password. I would attach it to a file. Just a second. Username is admin and password is password. This is the credentials, default credentials. You can later on change as well, but for this video I won't show you anything. So if you gonna see that Insecure Captcha, here you will find that ReCaptcha key is missing from the config.inc.php file. You can just do it by going to the Google Analytics page, the ReCaptcha page, and just type your local host. If you are not signed in using a Google account, you would be prompted with the Google sign in page. Just log in with your Google account and it will work. For this particular video I will show you the ReCaptcha version 2, and also type your localhost. Your Gmail will be here, and yeah, just good to go. And see, this is our public key and this is our private key. Just copy the public key, go to the config file and just paste the public key to the public key, copy the secret key and paste it here, and you're good to go. Just save the file and just restart your Apache and MySQL servers. Go to the website. Let's see. Oh, it's gonna work, and you can just try to exploit all of these CSRF, file inclusion, everything using the tool which we are gonna learn in the further videos, that is Burp Suite. I will also give you some links from where you can get the Burp Suite Pro as well. And yes, that's pretty much it. We have set up our lab successfully, and we will be back soon with new videos from where we will be learning Burp Suite from basic to advanced, and that's pretty much it. You can just watch the tutorials and get pro using that tool. We'll be back in the next video.